Welcome to the Digital Leadership Studio. I'm your professor, Giulio Toscani. I'm Italian, but I've been living in Barcelona for 20 years. We are going to work together on the second week of July for 4 days, 3 hours per day. We're going to touch 4 different skills: being aware, being a visionary, an active learner, and an influencer. As the name says, digital leadership will be a mix between classic leadership but also digital technology. So, for example, for the awareness, I want your full attention. So I will ask you not to use computers or telephone. Off the table. Maybe you can take notes if you like. Use this old technology. Then we are going to talk about being a clairvoyant, a visionary. So yes, we are going to talk about technology and how we are interacting with it and how we are going to be prepared for what is coming in the future. And to be prepared, you need to be an active learner. So being constantly updated. It's not just about now doing an MBA. It will be for all your life, even after when you be retired. If you want to keep going on being an active learner. And then the fourth element of being an influencer, of how to connect people, how to connect business and technology. We're going to work together. All the materials in the syllabus. You will see how it's been crafted specifically for this course. Looking forward to seeing you in July.